Well, hi everyone, and a warm welcome back to the channel on this, our 100th YouTube video. Can you believe that?
I can't, no.
And as you might expect, to celebrate, we're going out in the caravan. We would do, wouldn't we?
Yeah, we've also got another celebration this week, tomorrow actually. And we're going away for that combined as well, aren't we?
Yeah, and we'll reveal momentarily what that celebration is, and also where we're going, because we're going back to somewhere that we were at
Not
very
long ago.
recently. Yeah, not long ago.
We liked it so much, we thought we'd go back.
Well, almost pitched up, but got to get the sun canopy up before we go any further on a hot day like this. Time for a drink. There's always time. Takes the sun canopy about 5-10 minutes for me to put that up. So here you go, Trev and Sue, still enjoying all of my teas and coffees in the Posh Cats camping mug. Trev, Sue and the gang. Yeah. So this is what, 3 days later since we left?
Yeah.
And we did say it's a special video, which it is a special video for us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why? Just remind everyone.
Well, that's our 100th video, I believe.
Yeah, 100th video. Can't believe we've made 100 videos. And I should just stress that this channel's always been about capturing our adventures away in the caravan. There's a bit of something to look back on and pass on to the grandchildren, isn't it? But here we are, 100 videos later, and I don't know, 2,500 subscribers or something. So thank you to all of you for keeping the faith and joining us on our journey.
Thank you very much.
Rather nice, isn't it?
Very good.
It all adds to the fun, and it's become a bit of a hobby, really. I think apart from the caravanning, which we absolutely love, the sort of videoing and the editing's become a bit of a hobby. Anyway, it's a special video. We've come back to a place that we found here about 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And we've already done a review of this site, which is called Poppyland.
Yeah, Poppyland.
And we'll put a little link below. We're not going to do a review all over again. But we did fall in love with the place so much that we came back and we thought we'd have another little stay here for a few days. Because it's also our wedding anniversary.
Yeah, 42 years.
42 years, Helen. What do you think to that?
I deserve a medal. Well, several, or at least a very big one.
My favourite line is, I can't remember breaking 6 mirrors.
Every year we go through this.
Yeah, but we've had 42 years, and actually I've got to be honest, it's gone pretty quick, isn't it?
It has, yeah.
3 children and 8 grandchildren later. And what we have had is our own private air show while we've been here.
Here comes the helicopter.
Here comes the helicopter now, just to add a bit more fun to the fire. So have a little look at these few clips here of the helicopter and the aeroplanes that flew by. We went to Caravan our first day, didn't we?
Yes, we did. It was quite busy. We went early, didn't we? Because of the heat with the dog, trying to get the dog out of the heat.
Yeah.
And things. But there's some good shops there.
Yeah, there is. Had a little wander around, and a bit of breakfast in Cromer.
Breakfast there, yeah.
And then on top of that, we went and met up with a couple of people around about lunchtime that day.
What we did at the local pub here. It's called the Suffield Arms.
Yeah.
And you can have tapas and pizzas and things. Got a nice big beer garden. You can take dogs inside and out, which is handy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
And we met caravanning with the missus there.
Caravanning with the missus. Yeah, known to their more affectionate friends as Kevin, Sadie and Eric.
Yeah, and Eric.
Yeah.
And Eric and Bella got on quite well, really.
Eric and Bella got on really well, and
Yeah.
also it was Sadie's birthday yesterday,
Yes, it was.
and she actually told us how old she is. Now I'll bleep that bit out, but have a little look. We'll just a little catch up we had with Caravanning with the Missus, Kevin, Sadie, and Eric. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Caravanning with the Missus, Kevin and Sadie. What are you doing here, you two?
Yay! Just chilling, having a pint.
Stumbled across the place
Yeah.
and thought how nice it looked.
Are you sure you didn't come here just on the off chance that we might be here?
Wow.
Well, I thought you were going to be at the other pub down the road, to be honest.
Oh, yeah.
You said you were going into the, what was it? The
Gunton
station
Arms.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, you thought they were in the Gunton Arms, so we'll go to the Suffield Arms.
That's it.
Yeah, and then we were here, weren't we? So
Yeah.
that blew that, didn't it?
Yeah. So what are you doing here anyway?
Well, we live here, really.
Oh, right.
We live in Norfolk, don't we? And we like to make the most of the local sites. So you come to Norfolk a lot, though, don't you? But given that you live, I'll go to Sadie. Sadie, what's the attraction? Why Norfolk?
Oh, I don't know. We just love it because you're near the beaches.
Yeah.
There's lots of nice little villages and
Yeah.
pubs. Nice walks.
That's right.
Yeah, it's lovely. Very nice.
So where are you staying now, Kevin? Where are you in Norfolk?
Over to you, Sadie.
Oh, go on, Sadie.
We're at the Beeston Regis site.
Yeah.
Site, yes.
And we're sited right on the top of a cliff.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
That's
really
close to
nice.
Sheringham, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is,
Yeah.
yeah.
But not your first time in Norfolk. How many times have you been back now?
No.
3 or 4 times?
3 or 4, yeah. We
we
usually
love it
go
here.
to Maundersley.
Oh,
is
Munsley.
it? Munsley.
Oh yes, you like Sandy Gulls.
Sandy Gulls.
Yeah.
Oh, it's lovely.
And near Dersingham.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're
Pancons.
off to Norwich on Thursday.
You'll
which
like
we're
Beautiful.
looking forward to. So yeah,
And
we
you've got
love
quite
it.
nice weather here at the moment as well,
Yeah,
haven't
it's
you?
Do you know,
beautiful.
not a lot of people realise, but actually Norfolk is the driest part of the country, of the whole of the UK. Yeah,
Really? Oh.
yeah. Being over here on the east coast, in the winter time, when the wind blows off the east, you get very cold winds and it snows quite a bit.
Yeah.
But normally we get all of our weather from the west, so by the time it gets to the east, it's all the rain's normally gone.
Oh,
However, no one's getting any rain at the moment, are they?
they're
The
not.
place is
no,
boiling.
goodness.
So where's Eric?
He's asleep under the bed.
Do you want to... You can film him under there.
Yes,
Look,
just-
look, there he is.
Let's see if we can find there he is. Look, the poor boy. He's had 3 pints of
I
encore.
know, it's all too much.
He's been digging holes all the way down here, and I think he's just given up now.
Eric's had 3 pints of encore and he's having a little afternoon
He
snooze.
does. Isn't he lovely?
Poor he has to go to all the pubs with you, Kevin.
Yes, he
I
does.
know,
That's
what
animal
a
cruelty,
shame
isn't it, really?
is.
Well, he
It's
usually
got to
takes
be.
me to him, to be honest. He's learned whenever he goes to a pub, he gets a treat, and
Poor
Daddy
you.
gets a treat.
You.
So Sadie, you get left in the caravan while you go to the pub,
I
don't
do,
you?
but
That
I
must be
quite
horrible for
enjoy
you.
it.
Oh, you do you?
I do. No, I enjoy a bit of peace. Yeah, I like a bit of me time.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Have a nice read.
Yeah,
Yeah, definitely.
definitely.
Well, I tell you what, we've got a lot planned this week, but I'm so pleased that we managed to meet up with you two at last.
Yeah.
We watched all your
Yes, it's been
videos, you know.
lovely.
Yes.
Yeah, and we enjoy watching these two, don't we? Yeah.
Yes, and it's been nice meeting you too.
Yeah,
Thank you very much,
All
Kevin.
right,
Yeah,
that's quite all right.
good.
What did you
Well,
say your name was again?
yeah, we are. We're the Trudgeons.
Oh, yeah.
So them two were a lot of fun, weren't they?
Yeah, it was nice that lunchtime catch up. It was good.
Enjoyed meeting them, and I'll tell you, Sadie does not look her age,
No,
but Kevin does look every bit of 36, doesn't he? He looks every bit of 36. That
you'll
boy.
be happy with that. Yeah.
No, a lot of fun. Nice to meet you both, and
Yeah.
hope to catch up on our travels again before too long. What else have we done? We then met up with
we
our
met up
kids.
with our kids at the same pub at Suffield Arms. It's really
Yeah.
good. We booked for lunch. I didn't just go for drinks. And we all had lunch there yesterday, which was pretty good.
Yeah, we had some tapas. It was good till the bill came. Rather expensive
It is
tapas.
quite pricey,
Yeah.
and it's smallish portions,
Yeah.
but very, very tasty, very good.
Yeah,
Then we went up to Philbrick Hall, which is a National Trust place.
yep.
We're members there. And we actually went about, and we done this last time at Sheringham Park. We actually went at tea time. It's a great time to go because the heat's going down, and also the people are leaving. So you've actually got the walks almost to a few people in yourself.
And my daughter thought it would be a fantastic idea if we all had a race.
Oh yeah.
And that was me, Helen, and two of our grandchildren, Harvey and Lauren. And yeah, here's a quick clip. Now I might do this in slow motion for
So
effect.
funny. So
On your marks, get set, go!
Yeah, you thought that was funny, but I think I could have won that race if I just
I don't think so.
given it a bit. If I put my shoulders down a bit lower.
Somehow he had no neck, so we call him Dave No Neck now.
My daughter sent me a message last night to say, if I was a racehorse, I'd have been called Fellbrig Fella. Yeah, that was a bit of fun.
So that was completely free, that walk,
Yeah,
last night.
yeah, it was.
It was a nice walk.
That was good. Enjoyed it.
There's a few walks on there actually. You can go past the church, which is usually open. You can go past the lake, but we went through the woods and the ice house.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, we will go back and do the other one with them, I think.
Just in terms of our meal at the Gunton Arms, which we had for our anniversary night, just going to show you a few clips now around there. It's not far from Deer's Glade, is it? Which is another campsite we go to.
Oh, it's 2 minutes down the road here.
2 minutes from here, and
Yeah.
probably about 10 minutes from Deer's Glade, I suppose. And as you'll see, it's actually a deer farm, isn't it?
Yeah,
So Helen managed to get a few shots of some
I
deer.
did. I creeped up on them. They saw me, and I hid behind the trees. But we only had the iPhone with us.
Well, we were just about to leave, weren't we, and pay the bill, and they popped out with these happy anniversary ice creams and shortbread. Look,
Very nice.
So-
in here.
and here,
Here.
Bella's got.
Half my steak.
Yeah, there she goes. There's £18 worth of sirloin there for the dog. 36 quid for that.
I just have to wash the sauce off it
Yes.
when we get it in.
Yeah. So we're just in the Gunton Arms at the back. Very nice round here. And there's a road that runs through it, which is normally closed. But if you go all the way through to the end, you come to Deer's Glade, which is where we stayed recently.
Deer's just over there.
So it's been a good few days here at Poppyland. I've thoroughly enjoyed
It's been
it.
very nice, and the weather has been great. Today it's forecast to be about 29,
Yeah,
and tomorrow going to be 30. But we go home tomorrow.
we do. But just want to show you the local dog walk as well. Have a little look at this because
Oh, it's lovely.
this is beautiful.
Every time you need me, I'm telling you I'm here to stay. But looking at your castle, I'm pretty sure you're safe, but still afraid. I'm walking in your garden, knowing what you're dreaming of, past the copper statues of everyone you've ever loved. Lower down the bridge and let me in. Woo.
Well, yeah, that's a lovely walk around there, wasn't it? And
That was very nice, yeah.
we saw deer in the wild as well, but couldn't get close enough to get a decent photograph really. So all the more reason to get that new camera with the big telescopic lens on it, and then you'll be able to do your wildlife photography that you love. That could be my anniversary present to Helen.
Oh, no. We had it. It was a new bedding set for the caravan, which is an odd thing to have.
It is an odd thing to have. So, yeah, good few days here. We're back home tomorrow, and then we're away again next week.
Yeah, we're going to West Runton, just up the coast. We've got 2 grandkids in tow.
Yes, Helen likes to make it nice and peaceful for us, don't you?
Well, we've got 2 days on our own, 2 days with them.
Yeah, that'd be good. Got Savannah joining us and Layla.
It's always great to have them with you for a bit.
Yeah. So, just to say really, thanks ever so much for all your support over these 100 videos that we've done. You can tell that Caravanning life, we absolutely love it. If you're a newbie or you're thinking about it, don't hesitate. We absolutely love it. We get away as much as we possibly can, almost every week in the summer months, don't we?
Well, we are, yeah. We just go home to do a bit of work and go away again.
Yeah, we just go home to cut the grass normally. So don't hesitate. If you're thinking about it, get on with it as soon as you can. And if you are new and you haven't done, we'd love it if you could subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. No cost involved whatsoever, but it really helps our channel to grow. And for those of you that have been with us on the journey from video number 1 to video 100, we really do appreciate your support, don't we?
Yeah.
So thanks a lot, and we're going to catch you again very soon. Bye for now.
Bye.